We are finally here.
My name is Shai, this is Bini, and we are a performing duo from Los Angeles. Bini is the most talented rabbit in the world. Bini knows how to comb my hair. He's an athlete. He knows how to play musical instruments. He likes to paint, and his paintings are so beautiful. I adopted Bini when he was only a few weeks old. He is very, very much of a diva. He has his own food, like the fridge is full with veggies. He's not locked in a cage. The house belongs to him. He's always eager to learn new tricks. Every day I'm surprised about what he can do. And the basketball game is a game that he developed for himself. And hello, LeBron James the Bunny. Bini is my best friend, and we are here to win.
Hi, welcome to AGT. What's your name?
Shai.
Shai.
Yeah, and this is Bini the Bunny. We moved to LA about 5 years ago from Israel, and we want to make people understand that rabbits are amazing and they are intelligent, and they deserve more respect. People don't understand
They don't
rabbits.
respect rabbits.
No.
We have had Animal Acts win America's Got Talent. Do you think Bini could win an AGT this year?
I know that Bini is going to win AGT.
Fantastic.
So you put 5 years of work into what we're going to see tonight.
Yes.
5 years, one rabbit. Amaze us.
I've got a good feeling.
Hello, everyone! This is Bini, my supernatural rabbit. We can speak with Bini. Bini, can you turn around? Can you turn around, please? Show everyone how you turn around. Very nice, very nice. Now, Bini has been training for this moment for a long time. So come over here. Let's go bowling. Let's see. Oh my God, it was almost a strike. Amazing.
It was amazing.
But you know, anyone can bowl, even a rabbit. So Bini, let's show everyone here your best basketball slam dunk.
You're going to dunk the ball?
Here you go. Just a second. We will get back to this.
Back to that.
So, Bini is not only an athlete. Bini knows how to play some musical instruments. For example, the guitar. Very nice, very nice. And if guitar wasn't enough, what do you think about the piano? We'll get back to that.
All right, get back to that.
Bini wants to be a judge on this show. Bini can take notes like Simon does.
No, take the note.
Just a second.
Yeah, give him a second.
Give him a
The
minute.
rabbit hasn't done anything.
We'll get back to that.
Yes.
Don't rush the bunny.
But now let's go back to the basketball. That was Bini the Bunny, and he was amazing.